Hey peeps, good morning. So today is a beautiful day. It's early in the morning right now. 80 minutes after 8. I'm not an early bird, but however I'm up. Thank God for that. So today will be a productive day pretty much. There is a S.T.E.M Fair going on over at the college, or let me try this, uni. There's a S.T.E.M Fair going on over the uni today. So I'll be there and representing for JVLOGS. So I hope you guys tune in and enjoy this. I don't know what I go about, yeah. That's my so-called British accent, yeah. I like the British accent. But yeah, so I'm taking you guys on my journey today. I hope you guys enjoy it. JVLOGS represent. Who remember this song? Making my way downtown, passing by, na 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 na. I need you, na 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 na. I love you, na 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 na. Na na. Making my way downtown, passing by. That's the only part of the song, you know. Alright, heading over there now, and yeah, I'm late. Because I had to get some tea and bread. Because I don't want to go on an empty stomach. You know you can't go people place with a hungry belly, right? So you have to ensure that you have something nice to eat before you leave the yard. But yeah, open and enjoy. Soon come. Hey guys, so I'm here at uni and the S.T.E.M Fair is in that building over there. So this bloke is going over there now. I'm late, so I don't know what to expect, but I'll definitely enjoy it. But yeah, just read school. Going to see what it's like. Give me some sunlight, sunlight, yeah. Sunlight, sun shines in the morning, it shines in the afternoon, it rests in the evening and simmer at noon. Well, I'll be back. Could ever feel like singing for some weird reason. I'm going to sing, but I know I can't sing. But yeah. So come back. My poor little friends. My friend is gone. Oh my god, look what they did to his daddy. He's gone. He's gone.
Yes, they are on the other side of the round.
Zoos, they call them. They can actually close and open based on
So
There it is, it's there. So would he go right in the center?
He would have to go in the center.
oh yeah,
Yes.
or put him in the center.
Oh,
Yes.
you're blocking
Try
him.
no, try not to block him. Good.
There.
So is he secure now, or because
there's
there's
a
one
line
line
here.
here?
Well, eventually your line has to go into that.
Oh, so we
It has
have to
set up
feed
the
it.
sensor.
Okay, so can we put this
The
somewhere
sensor
else?
someplace
If
else?
this
Yes.
line goes here, then this
Yeah,
is gonna
you
bounce
could-
back over here somewhere.
Okay,
So
yes.
Yes.
So he's hiding.
blocking
He's blocking the
this.
sensor. Oh yes.
So this
Put it
needs to
right
go
there.
over.
There.
There
So
we
it needs
go,
to
right
it needs
there.
to pop up, right? It needs to hit here. Where it needs to
Right,
hit?
right here, there's a little hole here.
Oh, it needs to hit.
I'm not sure. Let me see. There's the hole. Sorry.
Oh.
Right there.
Okay.
So now we need to switch it on.
Turn it up a bit
Now
more.
Are you there?
There we go. It works.
Let's reset it.
Okay.
Turn it
Somebody
back.
else.
Sorry. Sorry, you need to go back in the hole. And then you can turn it on. Go ahead.
We need to spray.
Turn it on.
If it's
Turn it on.
just that little switch.
Yeah, this is so.
Okay, now let's see if your system is secure. If I can steal your treasure. Right?
No cheating.
You think it's secure?
There.
Okay.
Hmm. It's
Yeah.
it's not. Did it beep?
Okay.
Oh.
Or is it just
So it's not
if you
secured.
moved your hands, would it stay?
No, this one will stay.
It's
that will
close.
stay. It's that one.
It won't stay level.
So you gotta put one over top of him. So
Prob-
this last one needs to come up over the top.
Over the top?
So it's
Yeah.
too
Is
high?
it-
that the
It is